What if I told you there was an engineered rebar replacement technology that would bring your labor costs to over 100 times less just by adding Steelx steel at the concrete batch plant? What if I told you this technology has been used by underground government facilities since the early 2000s and is successfully proven to equal and even outperform the use of rebar? What if I told you these concrete trucks with Steelx steel showed up to our site and we shotcreted this entire structure with 6 inches of the mix in less than 4 hours? What if I told you this structure was as strong as a double grid 12 inches on center of rebar, but took only 10 minutes to add to the trucks versus 4 weeks of rebar installation? Steelx Steel asks you, what method would you choose? What if you knew you could use this technology in every concrete application, including formwork and even ICF buildings, reducing labor costs by 100 times? Steelx Steel asks you to be the next to jump into the future with Steelx technology.